Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. I have had a parcel from YouTube. What's it all about? Let me get my little penknife out and open it up. It's from YouTube and it says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." It's true, Draw Stuff Real Easy has over 100,000 subscribers, which means I have been awarded a YouTube Silver Play Button award. Ooh. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see yourself in the camera, look. And it says, "Presented to Draw Stuff Real Easy for passing 100,000 subscribers." Thank you so much to YouTube, and thank you too to my 970,000 subscribers on Draw Stuff Real Easy. This makes me very happy and makes me want to keep on making how to draw videos here on Draw Stuff Real Easy every Thursday, 4 o'clock, and sometimes little extra ones too. Thanks for watching all these years. Thanks for getting me 100,000 subscribers. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.